Today we are going to discuss problem of numbers. A number is as much greater than 36. So number will be x and x minus 36 and less than 86. 86 minus x. Equation will be solved. So number is much greater than 36 means x minus 36 and less than 86. 86 minus x. We'll solve it. We'll get 61. Find a number such that when 15 is subtracted from 7 times number 7x minus 15, the result is 10 more than twice of number 2x plus 10. Okay. The sum of rational number and its reciprocal is 13 by 6. So rational number is x and its reciprocal is 1 by x. And we are adding both of them, x plus 1 upon x, that is equals to 13 by 6. So it will be the x square plus 1 upon x equals to 13 by 6. After solving this equation, we'll get 3x minus 2 and 2x minus 3 equals to 0, and x will be the 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. The sum of two number is 184. First number is x, second will be the 184 minus x. Okay. So x by 3 minus 184 minus x by 7 equals to 8. 1 exceed 1 7 of the other by the 8. So it is saying the sum of two number is 184. 1/3 of 1 exceed 1 7 of other by 8. So first number is x by 3 minus second number is 184 minus x divided by 7 equals to 8 is given. If we are going to solve this question by cross multiplication, then it will be the 7x minus 3. 184 minus x equals to 168. The difference of two number is 11 and 1/5 of their sum is 9. Difference x minus y equals to 11 and 1 by 5 of x plus y equals to 9 is given. So x plus y equals to 45 and x minus y equals to 11 by solving 28 and 17. If the sum of two number is 42 and their product is 437, then find the absolute difference between the number x plus y square minus 4xy. So 42x square minus 4 into 437, that is 4. The sum of two number is 15 and the sum of their square is 113. So let the number is x and 15 minus x. So x square plus 15 minus x square equals to 113, and that was the sum of two number, and the sum of their square is 113. Sum of two number is 15 and the sum of their square is 113. Find the number. Sum of two number means x plus 15 minus x. Okay, so that is 15. Yes, that is 15 and its square is 113. After solving x square plus 225x plus x square minus 30x equals to 113, and that will be x equals to 7 and x equals to 8. The average of four consecutive even number is 27. So one number is x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. So four consecutive number, that was the four consecutive number, average is 27. That means 27 into 4 equals to 108, and x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 equals to 108, and 4x equals to 96. Okay, and x will be the 26. So largest number is what? It is even, so largest will be the x plus 6. The sum of square of three consecutive odd numbers. Now again it is odd number. So let's the number is x, x plus 2 and x plus 4, and it is saying the square of three consecutive odd number. So that will be x square plus x plus 2 square plus x plus 4 square equals to 2531, and after solving number will be 27, 29 and 31. Equation will be x square plus 4x minus 8 37. So after solving this, 27 and 31 will be the product of 2 of 837. Okay, so that and difference between of them is 4. So 37 and 27 will be the answer. 31 and 27. Of the two number, 4 times the smaller one is less than 3 times of the larger one by the 5. So that will x is greater than y. X 3x minus 4y equals to 5. X plus y minus 6, x minus y equals to 6. Minus 5x plus 7y equals to 6. X equals to 59 and y equals to 43. The ratio between a two-digit number and the sum of the digit of the number was 4:1. If digit in the unit place is 3 more than that of digit in the 10th place, so 11x plus 3 and 2x plus 3 equals to 4/1. Okay, how do this get? The ratio between two-digit number and the sum of the digit of the number is two-digit number. Let's the digit is x, then unit digit will be the x plus 3. Okay, and now the sum of the digit is x plus 3. So ratio between a two-digit number, that is x, and the number, then sum of the digit of the number is 4:1. Ratio is 4:1. So unit digit is x plus 3 because ratio is 4:1. That's why it's x plus 3 equals to 2x plus 3, sum of the digit, and now number will be 10x plus x plus 3 equals to 11x plus 3. So number will be 10x plus x plus 3 because it's saying that unit place is 3 more than the digit in the 10th place. What is the number? So 3 more. It is saying the unit digit is 3 more. So one digit is x, second digit will be the x plus 3, and it is the 10th of that digit. So 10x plus x plus 3, and second digit is sum of the digit is x plus 3, that is 2x plus 3. So 11x plus 3 upon 2x plus 3 equals to 4:1, and after solving this x will be the 3. A number consists of two digits. The sum of digit is 9. So it is number is x and 9 minus x. Okay, and if 63 is subtracted from the number, digits are interchanged. Find the number. Last the digit is x and the second was 9 minus x. Because the sum of the digit is 9, that's why the second is 9 minus x. The number will be 10x plus 9 minus x. Because the number consists two digits, the sum of this is 9. Total sum is 9, and if 63 is subtracted from the number, its digits are interchanged. So number will be the 10x plus 9 minus x equals to 9x plus 9. The number obtained by the reversing the digit, that was 10. 9 minus x plus x equals to 19 minus 9x, and 10 digit is eighths of the 1, and the required number is 81. A fraction becomes 2/3 when a 1 is added to both its numerator is denominator, and it's become 1/2 when 1 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. Let's the required fraction x by y. Okay, so it is fraction is 2/3 when 1 is added to both x plus 1 and y plus 1 equals to 2/3, and if it is subtracted, that will be the 1/2. So 3x minus 2y equals to minus 1, and 2x minus y equals to 1. After solving, answer will be the 3/5. 50 is divided into two parts such that the sum number of the reciprocal is 1/12. Find the two parts. So let two parts are x and 50 minus x. 1/x plus 1 upon 50 minus x equals to 1/12. So solving this, 50 minus x plus x upon x, 50 minus x equals to 1/12. X square minus 550x plus 600, x minus 30 and x minus 20. If three numbers are added in the pairs, the sum equal to 10, 19, 21. Find the numbers. X plus y is 10, and the y plus z equals to 19, and the x plus z equals to 21. Okay, it's in pair. Find the numbers. So after subtracting 2, x plus y plus z equals to 50, x plus y plus z equals to 25, and x equals to 25 minus 19, 6, y equals to 25 minus 21 is 4, and 25 minus 10 equals to 15. 2x plus y plus z equals to 50, and x plus y plus z equals to 25. X is equal to 25 minus 19 equals to 6, y equals to 25 minus 21, and 25 minus 10. So it is 25 after we adding to all of the three. So we got the one equation from that, and now putting the values, we are getting the correct answer. Certain indices am into an equals to a m plus n, am upon an equals to am minus 1, am into n equals to am n, a0 equals to 1, an upon ab equals to an ab, ab n equals to an bn, and law of the set is the square of the a equals to a की power 1 by n, and n root n a की power n equals to a, and root ab is the n a and n b, and n अपॉन में आएगा तो ऊपर नीचे रूट में चला जाएगा, एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ दैट। और अगर दो बार रूट हो तो उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके एक रूट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। सिंप्लीफाई करना है कि 27 की पावर अगर 2/3 है तो उसका मतलब क्या है, तो 3 की पावर 3 है, कटेस हो जाएगा, 3 की पावर 2 आ जाएगा 9। 1024 की पावर -4/5 है तो ये 4 की पावर 5 आ जाएगा, और जब ये कटेगा आपस में तो 4 की पावर -4 आ जाएगा, एंड दैट इज़ 1/26। 2/5 की पावर है 3 एंड -4/3, सो 2/5 की पावर 3 एंड -4/3 से 3 कैंसिल हो गया, एंड आंसर आ गया 6, 25 एंड 16। नाउ 0.00032 अपॉन 3/5 है, तो 2 की पावर 5 है एंड 10 की पावर भी 5 है, तो 3/5 आ गया, एंड 5 से 5 कटेस हो गया, एंड दैट विल बी द 125। What is the quotient where x की power -1 is divided by x minus 1? So 1 upon x minus 1 upon x minus 1, and after solving it is 1 minus x upon x. Okay, because it will be the 1 minus x, and after dividing upon x minus 1 and equals to -1 by x will be the answer. Because after opening this, so we can take the minus before, and this will be the cut down. If 2 की power x minus 1 plus 2 की power x plus 1 equals to 1280, so after solving 2 की power x minus 1 equals to 1 plus 2 की power 2, okay, that we taken from that, and 1280, 2 की power x minus 1 equals to 1280 upon sec 5. Find the value of 5 of 1/8 की power 1/3 plus 25 7 की power 1/3, so it will convert the 2 की power 3 and the 3 की power 3, and after solving this we'll get 5 into 2 की power 3 into 1/3 से 3 कटा, and there is also 3 से 3 कटा, again it will be the 5 and 2 plus 3 की power 3, and total का है 1/4। अगेन ये सोल्व होगा 5 into 5 की power 3 and 1/4 and 5 की पावर 4, and 4 से 4 कटा, and 5 will be the answer। 16 की पावर 3/2 plus 16 की पावर -3/2, so 4 की पावर 2 and the 4 की पावर 2। ओके, एंड ये जो पूरा सोल्व होगा तो 2 से 2 कट जाएगा, एंड 4 की पावर 3, 4 की पावर -3 आ जाएगा, एंड आंसर आ जाएगा 1/5 की पावर है 3y, so it will be the 0.008, so 8 upon 1000, and that is 1/5 की पावर 3, and that is the 0.25 will be the answer। इसी तरीके से सॉल्व कर जाना है। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 6 की पावर 2/3 इंटू √3 6 की पावर 7 एंड √3 6 की पावर 6, सो 6 की पावर 2/3 इंटू 6 की पावर 7 इंटू 1/3 अपॉन 6 की पावर 6 इंटू 1/3। सो यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि 2/3 और 7/3 ऐसे ही रहेगा, 3 से 2 कटा तो ये 6 की पावर 2 में कन्वर्ट हो गया, फिर ये 6 की पावर 2/3 और 6 की पावर 7/3 -2 में चला गया, एंड जब इसको हमने सोल्व किया तो 1/3 में कन्वर्ट हो गया, और ये दोनों जुड़े आपस में, एंड दैट विल बी द 6 विल बी द आंसर। ओके, तो ये इसी तरीके से करने हैं अच्छे ये वाले क्वेश्चन। अब परसेंटेज पे आ जाते हैं हम लोग ना। Concept of percentage: by a certain percentage we mean that many hundred, thus x percentage means x 100, and within as a x percentage the x percent is the fraction of x by 100. Okay, means if you are writing the 20, it will be 1/5. 48 means 12/25. Okay, and a by b as a percentage, that was a by b into 100%, so that is 1/4 into 100 equals to 25. 3/5 into 100 equals to 60%. So increase the r percent means r upon 100 plus r upon into 100, and decrease is r upon 100 minus r into 100, and population of the n year p 1 plus r upon 100 and p upon 1 plus r upon 100, that was the n year ago. After is 1 p 1 plus r upon 100 and the year ago होगा तो ये नीचे जाएगा, एंड आफ्टर होगा तो दैट विल बी द ऊपर की साइड. सो इट विल बी द p 1 प्लस r अपॉन 100 इंटू n. और अगर पहले की बात करते हैं तो p अपॉन 1 प्लस r अपॉन 100 इंटू n, मतलब p के नीचे रहेगा 1 प्लस r अपॉन 100 इंटू n. रिजल्ट ऑन द डिप्रेसिएशन वैल्यू ऑफ द मशीन आफ्टर एन ईयर. सो p, अब यहाँ पर पूछ रहा है कि डेप्रिसिएशन, वहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन था तो डेप्रिसिएशन में आएगा p 1 माइनस आर अपॉन 100, और अगो की बात करेगा तो p अपॉन 1 माइनस आर अपॉन 100. पॉपुलेशन आएगा तो प्लस जाएगा, डेप्रिसिएशन आएगा तो माइनस जाएगा. ठीक है. a इज़ r% मोर देन b, देन b इज़ लेस देन, सो r अपॉन 100 प्लस r अपॉन इंटू 100. और इफ़ a इज़ r% लेस देन b, देन b इज़ मोर देन a, r अपॉन 100 माइनस r इंटू 100. अब आते क्वेश्चंस पे. 56% का मतलब होगा 14/25, 0.6% का मतलब होगा 6/1000. ठीक है. 6% का मतलब होगा 0.06, और 0.04% का मतलब होगा 0.0004. और 23/36 को परसेंटेज में अगर कन्वर्ट करना हो तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 कर सकते हैं. और 3 की पावर 4 का मतलब होता है 27/4, इसको परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 675 हो जाएगा. 28% ऑफ, जब भी ऑफ आएगा, ऑफ का मतलब होता है मल्टीप्लाई करना. सो दैट मीन्स 28 अपॉन 100 इंटू 450 प्लस 45/100 इंटू 280, इसका मतलब आ गया 352. ओके. एंड 16 की पावर 2/3 और परसेंटेज ऑफ 600 ग्राम है. दैट मीन्स द 50/3 इंटू 1/100 इंटू 600 माइनस 100/3 इंटू 1/100 इंटू 180. तो ये भी इस तरीके से सोल्व हो जाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो है 16 3 जा 48 प्लस 250, 50/3 परसेंटेज है इसलिए 1/100 किया इंटू 100 माइनस अगेन 100/3 इंटू परसेंटेज है इसलिए 1/100 किया एंड इंटू 180. 2 इज़ व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ 50, सो 2/50 इंटू 100 इज़ 4%. 1/2 इज़ व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ 1/3, सो 1/2 इंटू 3/1 इक्वल्स टू 150. What percent of 7 is 84, so it is 84/7. What percent of 7 is 84. ओके. 7 का कौन सा परसेंट 84 है. ओके. सो 84/7 इक्वल्स टू, हाँ, फाइंड द मिसिंग फिगर. परसेंटेज ऑफ 25 इक्वल्स टू 2.125. सो x/100 इंटू 25 इक्वल्स टू 2.125. इट इज़ 8.5. Now 9% of x equals to 6.3, so 9/100 x equals to 6.3. 6.3 into 100/9 equals to 70. And again 0.04 into 100 upon 0.025, that is 16. Which is greatest, 16/2/3 or 215 or and 0.17, तीनों में से बताना है. So 16 2/3 को तो हम लिखेंगे 1/6 means 0.166. 2/15 को 0.133. क्लियरली 0.17 जो है वो ग्रेटेस्ट है. इफ़ द सेल्स टैक्स बी रिड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम 3 1/2 एंड द 3 1/3, देन व्हाट डिफरेंस डज मेक्स द पर्सन हु परचेज एन आर्टिकल विथ मार्क्ड प्राइस. 3 1/2 ऑफ द 8400 माइनस 3 1/3 ऑफ द 8400, दैट मीन्स इट्स 7/2 माइनस 10/3 ऑफ द 8400 एंड दैट इज़ 1/6. Okay, and inspector reject the 0.08 of the meter of the defective. How he will be the reject the 2? So 0.08 of the x equals to 2. Okay, so अगर इतना defective है तो how many will be the examining reject the 2? So let the meter was examine x. तो 8/100 it given into 1/100 percentage into x equals to 2 is given. So we will conclude it will be the 2500. 65% of number is 21 less than, so 65% of number is x less than 21 of the 4/5 of the number. 4/5 of the x minus 65% of x equals to 21. After solving, x will be 140. Difference of two numbers is 1660, and if 7.5 of one number is 12.5 of another number. Okay, so x minus y equals to 1660 and x and y equals to 5/3y. So 5/3y minus y, because x minus y equals to 660. While putting this value x equals to 5/3y, we'll get the 2/3y equals to 1660. So this y will be the 2490 and 5/3y equals to 4150. If one number is 2490, then second number will be the putting the value and we'll get 4150. In expressing a length 81.4 kilometer nearly possible with 3 significant digit, find the percentage error. So 85.5 will be the 3 significant digit is there. It's given 0.028 upon 81.47 into 100. So 0.34% is the error. In an election between two candidates, okay, 75% of the voter cast their votes, out of which 2% of the votes are declared invalid. So 75% is casting the vote. So and 2% are invalid. That means 98% is valid. So 98% of the 75%, that is equals to 9260. That is equals to 9261. Okay. So an election, two candidates, 75% of voter cast their votes, out of 2% are the invalid and 75% total valid vote. You are want to find this, the candidate vote. So it is 7500, 98 upon 100, 7500 into x equals to 9261. Answer will be 16800. Shobha Mathematics states 75 problems, 10 arithmetic, 30 algebra, 35 geometry. Although the answered 70% of arithmetic, 40% of algebra, 60% of geometry correctly, she did not pass the test because she got less than 60% of the problem rights. Okay. So 70% of 10 plus 40% of 30 plus 60% of 35, that is 7 plus 12 plus 21 equals to 40, and that was the question to be answered correctly for 60% grade. So 60% of the 75 equals to 45. So the required number of the question is 45 minus 40, that is the 5. If 50% of x minus y equals to 30% of x plus y, then the percentage xy given the 50 upon the 100, that was x minus y and x plus y, it is 30/100, and that was given the 25. Mr. John gave 40% of the money head to his wife. He also gave the 20% remaining amount of the each of the son. Half of the amount now left is spent, and the item she remaining the amount of 12,000 was deposited. How many Mr. John have the initially? So money given to wife 40/100, 2x/5, and balance is x minus 2x/5 equals to 3x/5. Money given to 3 son, that was 3 into 20/x, 100 into 3x/5 equals to 9x/25. Okay. So money given to wife, that was 40%. It is 2x/5, and balance money is the x minus 2x/5 equals to 3x/5. Now he is given the 3 sons, 3 into 20 upon 100 into 3x/5, that is the remaining money, and he'll get 9x/25 because half of the amount of the now was spent on miscellaneous item, and he also gave the 20% remaining amount of each of the 3 sons. So 3 into 20 upon 100, and remaining, he is saying the remaining, that means it was a 3x/5, and now balance is remaining 3x/5 minus 9x/25 equals to 6x/25. And now he is giving the half of the remaining amount, half into 6x upon 25, that is equals to 12,000, and x will be the value of the 10. 1 lakh with him. 10% of the inhabitant of the village having died cholera, 25% remaining inhabited village, and the population is 4050. So that was the 100 minus 25, it's of 100 minus 10%. So x equals to 4050. So 75/100 into 90/x, 100 into x equals to 4050. A salesman's commissions 5% on the sales, 10,000, and the 4% of the exceeding this. So 5% of 10,000 plus 4% of the x minus 10,000, and that is equals to 31000. Okay, so salesman's commission 5% on the sales, that is x का 5% on the sales 10,000 and 4% exceeding this. Exceeding का मतलब होता है x माइनस में आ जाएगा, x minus 10,000. ओके, So now after solving we'll get the 32500. Raman's salary was decreased by 50%. Okay, and increased by 50%. पहले 100 थी सैलरी, तो ये 150 हो गई और 50 हो गई. सॉल्व किया तो 75 डिक्रीज हुआ 25 का. Paulson spent 75% of his income. His income is increased by 20%. Increase his expenditure 10%. So 110 upon 100 and 120 will be given. So now there was a 165 by 2. 120 minus 165 by 2 equals to 75 by 2. And that was a 25 by 2. And that is 25 by 2 into 1 upon 25 into 100 equals to 50%. The salary of the person was reduced by 10%. By what percent should be the reduced salary raised to be just bring in the with the original salary? That is, original salary was 100 and the new salary is 19. So then increase the 90 and the 10, increase in the 10 by 90 into 100, so 11, 1 by 9. If A earns 33 1 by 3% more than B, so 100 upon 3 and 100 plus 100 by 3 into 100, that will be the 25%. It is earned more than B, so it was 100 upon 3, 100 plus 100 upon 3 into 100 will be the equation. If A salary 20% less than B means 20 upon 100 minus 20 to 100 equals to 25. How many kg of the pure salt must be added to 30 kg of the 2% solution of the salt? So 2% solution, so 2 by 100 into 30 kg equals to 0.6. Okay, so now what is added? 0.6 plus x and the 30 plus x equals to, it should be 10%, so 10 by 100. So amount of the salt is 30 kg and 2% solution means 0.6. So 0.6 is added x and 30 is also added x, and that is equals to 10 by 100, and answer will be 2 की power 2 by 3. Due to reduction 6 की power 1 by 4 price sugar, a man is able to buy 1 kg more, rate 120. Okay, so reduced rate is 100 minus 25 by 4 into 1 upon 100 x, so that is 15x upon 16. So now the new price is 120 upon 15x minus 16 minus 120 upon x. So x is the sugar equals to 1, it is given. So what is he is asking, that reduction is 6 की power 1 by 4. So 100 minus 25 by 4 into 1 by 100 will be the percentage is given. That's why we did the 1 by 100 also. And the answer will be 15x by 16 will be the reduced rate. So the 120 is the, he is buying more than in the 120 to the 1 kg. So 120 upon 15x by 16 minus 120 upon x equals to 1 will be the answer. So original rate is 8 per kg. Reduced rate will be the 15 by 16x equals to 7.50. In an examination, 35% of the total failed Hindi, 45% failed in the English and 20 in the both. So 60 will be given and 100 minus 60 will be 40%. In an examination, 18% student was passed in English, 85 in the mathematics, and both में जो पास हुए हैं वो हैं 75. सो इसको माइनस करेंगे और आंसर आएगा 9 by 10x. सो अगर हम फेल की बात करें तो x माइनस 9 x अपॉन 10 करेंगे तो x बाय 10 आ जाएगा, और x बाय 10 की वैल्यू जो है वो इक्वल्स टू क्या है, 40 के बराबर है, क्योंकि 40 स्टूडेंट फेल हुए हैं. ठीक है, तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 400 के इक्वल.